Hi, my name is Melissa Paulo, and I'm here to bring you through a mini sound bath experience meant to open you up to a deeper sense of love for yourself and those around you. So wherever you are, take a seat or lay down. Gently place your right hand over your heart and your left hand over your right, and close your eyes. Take a full deep breath into your lower belly. Exhale, sigh it out, let it go. I want you to visualize a beautiful green and pink light forming in the middle of your chest. And as you breathe into this light, it becomes brighter and stronger. And as you exhale, it begins to expand outside of your chest in every direction. And I want you to take a moment to send waves of this beautiful healing green and pink light to the people in your life that you love the most, wherever they are in the world. Visualize them receiving this beautiful light. And sending it right back your way. With a beautiful reminder that love is infinite. The more you give it, the more you receive. Take another full, deep inhale into this beautiful green light. Allowing it now to move through every cell in your body, from head to toe. Connecting you to a deeper sense of self-love. Now gently bring your hands to prayer pose at your heart. Begin to rub your palms together. Take a full, deep inhale. Place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly, bow your head. And we'll close out this meditation with a few affirmations. Silently repeat to yourself, I am love. I am loved. I am loving. Gently bring a smile to the corners of your mouth, knowing that all is well and all is love. Once again, my name is Melissa Paulo, and I hope that you feel just a little bit more full of love after that brief meditation. Namaste.